baking. Do you know these words? Toast, toast, toast. Bagel, bagel, bagel. Pancakes, pancakes, pancakes. Cracker, cracker, cracker.
Let's play. Say the words loudly.
Toast, bagel, pancakes, cracker.
What other words do you know about baking? We'll see you next time.